what I've just seen. I've seen Challenger. Let's have a look. He's got his running clobber on, he's out for a big walk, he is. Looks like you're set for a big walk.
No, stop me chafing.
Yeah.
Set out?
Yeah. Might have done. Little update. So that video was when you saw Scott. That was the first, within the first half a mile. I'm now at 6 miles, 56 minutes. I'm on the canal. The plan is, Slynn has been to the gym this morning. I'm going to head to Stone. And those of you that live around Stoke will know that it's around 16 miles. I reckon, well, it says 16 miles the roadway, so we might be pushing close to a marathon today. But I'm feeling quite good. I'm keeping my pace around 9:20, 9:30. I'm alright. Got a couple of Haribos with me, so I'll keep going. Check in. Number 6. Check in a little bit early. Come on. 9 miles, 35. You'll know where that is. Stoke, next to Britannia Stadium. Heart rate's still in the green, 148, and pace is 135 currently. Been averaging about 127, I think, 927. But if you don't know why I'm doing it, one is for a challenge between my brothers to see who can do the most miles in March. The other is for Young Lives versus Cancer. So I'll put a link in the description below and you can donate. Donate if you can afford to. So far I've got £50 from 3 people. I think we can do better than that. I would say Cancer, for me, if I was to think about one of my kids in that situation, to be soul destroyed. So every bit of money raised, I'm sure it'll go to a good cause. So we'll check in again in a few miles. Another check in. Just gone 12 miles. Let me just slow down, show you. 12 miles. Hold on, let that disappear. Notification. I don't press nothing in case it goes off. There. 1 hour 52, 12 miles. Keep going. Whew, I shouldn't have stopped. So we're probably 2/3 of the way through now. Open mind, heart, lungs. Feel good. It's just legs are a bit stiff. But bear in mind, if you have been following on Strava or seen updates on Facebook, I've actually done, before I come out today, I was already on 70 miles from the 1st of March. So it's a couple of marathons within the week, and now we're just going out and smashing a big one out. Want to get them miles in, but mainly to break away from the pack. leave the week behind. So we're heading to Flip Out Stone. I don't know if Selina's set off yet. I don't know if she's been tracking me where I am, but when I get to about 14 miles, I'll ring her and see where she is. Another update, we're at the half marathon point, 2 hours 7 minutes, 13.62 miles. I suppose we keep on going. So I'm at 15.5 miles, just coming into Stone now. My legs are proper feeling it. Breathing, everything's alright. I know I sound like out of breath, but actually I'm alright. It's just my legs. I'm feeling the burn. Here it is, look. Welcome to Stone. So I think what I'm going to do is stop the run there at 2 hours 27, 15.5 miles, and I'm going to have a brisk walk in. I've only got another 1.5 miles or something to go, but I rang Selina and she was in the bath, so looks like I've got a lot of time to play with. So thanks for watching, and remember, if you can, go down, even if it's £2, a quid. Every bit of a donation counts. Peace out. That's it. I've done the 18.5 mile trip to Flip Out, and I've just checked where Selina is, and I'm not joking, the timing is phenomenal, because she's going to come round the corner in a minute in a little Fiat 500. We're going to be at exactly the same time. You ready for it? Oh, that's it, I've just hit the 18.5 mile point. Let's Flip Out. Where is she? She'll be in a second. Oh God. So stiff now. It's unbelievable. I don't know how good the audio is. Just got my AirPods in and it is windy. I just want you to see how close it was. Come on, she's literally, when I looked, she was any second away. It's not the car park, is she? I think so. She's on the car park. My car. No, that's not my car. Come on. Oh, she's here, look. She's in my car. Oh. Watch this be some random around. Timing.